Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm gonna use these Dollar Tree wall stickers. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. I recently went to Dollar Tree and found these three different decals. Now I almost missed them out because they were hidden all the way at the back, but I'm glad I checked all the rows and I was able to find. Now these are a set of three, but they are sold separate. So I'm going to start with this one right here, which are some like leaf designs. I am also using this Dollar Tree cutting board and these little wood cutouts that I got from the Dollar Tree last year, which hopefully they bring them again this year. I am going to paint this pumpkin. The stem is going to be brown, and then the pumpkin orange. Using a little bit of the brown, I'm going to like mix them so it gives it like a little bit more texture to this. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to set it to the side so it can dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to paint this gift thanks brown, which this little wood cutout, I also got it from the Dollar Tree last year. Hopefully they bring all of these this year. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to start by gluing the gift thanks like at the bottom of the cutting board. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin, but before I glue it, I'm going to add some of the wall stickers, the little leaf designs. I'm going to add one on each side, like leaving space in the center where that is where I'm going to add the pumpkin. Using this jute twine, I'm going to make a bow and add it on the stem to cover the little hole. To finish this off, I'm going to add some of the jute twine around the handle of this cutting board. And this completes this beautiful gift thanks decor. For my next project, I'm using this one right here. This one says friends and family gather here. Now, honestly, the color of all of these stickers were perfect for this fall season. So I decided to make a large sign using this. And to do the large sign, I'm using two of these Dollar Tree wall hangers. I am going to remove the plastic and I'm going to put the string and the little ring on the side. Now to glue these together, I am using hot glue. You are more than welcome to use wood glue, but because I want this to dry fast, I'm using hot glue. Now to make this more sturdy, I am adding 2 pieces of wood on the back. Now honestly, you can leave it this color, but I decided to paint my sign white and I'm using this Waverly chalk paint. To cover the little holes on the side, I painted 2 bamboo sticks which I cut to size, and I glue these on each end. So before I start adding the stickers, I am going to cut these individually. So like that, I can arrange them first how I want them to go. And then I'm going to start adding one by one. And this is how I want them to go. So I had these extra ones, which you're going to see me use the rest of this sticker sign on my next project, but I have these little extra ones which I want to add to the side. And that is it for this beautiful sign. For my next project, I'm using my last sticker. Now this is a little home, and I'm using this Dollar Tree wood sign, which I'm going to paint white. I am also using this Hello Autumn. Actually, I do end up switching it to Welcome Fall instead, because I feel like it's like a home, like welcome fall to your home. I don't know. That's just how I've seen it. So I'm going to paint this brown instead. So instead of adding like this whole building or house, I don't know what it is, I am going to cut it to make it smaller. So I do end up cutting 2 floors. So this is going to be a lot smaller. I think it looks so much cuter smaller. So before I start adding the little home or the little building, I'm going to add these individual hearts at the bottom and make a line. Now I'm going to add the welcome fall, and on top of that, well, not on top, but above that, I'm going to add the little. And this is how it looks so far. So I felt like it needed something else. So I added some beads to a little hanger and added the hanger. But even after that, I felt like it needed more. Like I felt like there was a like a big space above the little hearts. So I decided to add jute twine instead. To finish this off, I will be adding a bow, and that is it. Look how beautiful this welcome fall sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.